AI's medical malpractice, a call for action. The AI revolution's dark side, failing medicine. Despite the hype, every AI model seems to be flunking medicine, and it's time to address this critical issue. A recent report by DataTecnica and CARD, the U.S. National Institutes of Health's Center for Alzheimer's and Related Dementias, reveals a shocking truth. AI's medical advice is not just inaccurate, but potentially dangerous. But here's where it gets controversial. People are increasingly turning to AI chatbots like ChatGPT for medical guidance, and studies show they trust AI over doctors, even when AI is wrong. This is a recipe for disaster, as AI's medical knowledge is currently inadequate, according to the report. The report's key findings. AI models, including GPT-5 and others from Google, Anthropic, and Meta, fail to provide safe and accurate medical advice. The problem lies in the model's inability to meet the complex demands of biomedical research and practice. Current models lack the precision and depth of knowledge required by medical professionals. And this is the part most people miss. The report highlights a fundamental gap between AI's general capabilities and the specialized needs of scientific communities. Biomedical researchers require tools that enhance their work, not just mimic correct answers. Echoes of concern. Other benchmark tests related to medicine echo these findings. For instance, OpenAI's HealthBench study found that while AI's medical advice has improved, it still lacks the reliability and accuracy needed for real-world medical conversations and workflows. A potential solution, LMArena. To bridge this gap, DataTecnica has teamed up with LMArena.ai, a platform that ranks AI models. Together, they plan to expand LMArena, a leaderboard that allows side-by-side comparisons and voting on AI models' performance. LMArena aims to be specific to medical research, focusing on the day-to-day realities of biomedical discovery. It's already being used by scientists at the Intramural Research Program of the U.S. National Institutes of Health for high-risk, high-reward projects. But wait, there's more. Two critical questions arise regarding this new benchmark effort. 1. Agentic capability. Studies show that AI's usefulness dramatically increases when models are connected to databases of medical information. Without measuring how AI models utilize external resources, the benchmark's utility may be limited. 2. Medicine-specific LLMs. Numerous medicine-specific LLMs, like Google's MedPalm, are being developed. It's unclear if LMArena will consider these dedicated models, as the current work has only tested general frontier models. So, what's the verdict? While LMArena shows promise, it must address these critical aspects to truly evaluate AI's medical capabilities. The future of AI in medicine depends on it, and we need to get this right. Your thoughts? Do you think LMArena can revolutionize AI's role in medicine? Or is it missing the mark? Let's discuss in the comments and explore these fascinating developments further.